It's amazing, it's feeling something new. It's amazing.
Baby, I'm falling head over heels, looking for ways to let you know.
It has been a long journey, my baby. And finally, here we are getting married.
You by my side,
It's a great love story because God brought us here together.
I'm trying to hold back, you ought to know that.
Sa araw na ito, pinipili kitang maging asawa ko habang buhay. Pinapangako kong mamahalin, igagalang at aalagaan kita sa bawat araw ng ating pagsasama. Sa sayaman o sa hirap, kahit may toyo ka pa, mananatili akong tapat at nasa tabi mo.
Si Binili! Mama Wen! Oh. And Ate Mikal! Let's open daw. Let's open. Open it, guys!
Nagkakilala kami ni KM sa Accenture. Yun yung una kong trabaho. Kaya hindi ko inaasahan na made-develop kami. At nakita ko sa kanya yung napakabait na tao na alam ko na hindi na ako makakakita ng ganon sa iba pa.
Shadow siya sa akin nung team lead namin. Tapos, nag-start kami as friends. And then, naging close friends kami actually, BFF, ganon.
You ought to know that you're the one that's on my mind. Falling too fast.
Pads! Kiyaw! Buksan niyo na po.
Sunlight keeps my heart going. Oh, I know when I'm with you, I can't keep myself from falling. Right time at the right.
Thank you, Kuya.
My arms I'm holding, girl.
Thank you.
At the right moment, you're the sunlight.
Ikaw ang aking tahanan, aking kaibigan, kaaway, at magiging ina ng aking 7 magiging anak at aking habang buhay na mahal. Dati, lagi kong iniisip na ako na ang pinakaswerteng tao sa mundo. Pero mali pala ako. ikaw pala ang pinakaswerte na tao sa mundo dahil nakilala mo ko.
Thank you so much. Alam mong gala talaga ako at mahilig ako maglakad. Thank you.
Sana maging maayos and wala na masyadong aberya yung mangyari ngayong araw na to. And mag-enjoy lang tayo. Yun lang. See you later, baby. I love you.
I thought it was only made for movie screens. Then you came along and you changed everything.
So, ayun baby. Ito na yun. Ito na yung inaantay natin. Almost 6 years. So, ito na yun. Good luck sa atin. I love you.
Always and forever, through the good and the bad, for worse or for better. I wanna be with you for the rest of my days. I promise I love you forever and ever and always.
Today I promise to love you without hesitation and no holding back. To stand by you through every season. To be your partner in dreams and in challenges. I promise to keep you every single day.
We got is deeper than oceans. My heart is yours and you know this. I'll follow you where you're going, 'cause that's what my home is. Just one
That changed everything. I never thought that I'd be here. But standing here with you now, I can't imagine being anywhere else.
forever, through the good and the bad, for worse or for better. I wanna be with you for the rest of my days. I promise I love you forever and ever and always.
Sa araw na nakilala kita, alam ko na agad na ikaw ang para sa akin. Mahal na mahal kita.
Let me go. Hold me close, don't let me go.
My baby, ipinapangako kong pipiliin kita sa araw-araw. Kahit sa mga panahong hindi ka kamahal-mahal. Ikaw at ikaw lang ang gusto kong makasama hanggang sa aking huling hininga.
Love you forever.